As an author, you can edit a record in Submission in Progress status if you created it. In this case, you will find it in your workspace. You can also edit a record in Archived status, but only if you are linked to it. In this case, you will find it either in your workspace or in your researcher profile. To access your researcher profile, go to the top right corner of the home page and click on the Login menu. Then, select My Account and Profile. You will be redirected to a page titled User Account. Click on View to access the full view of your profile. You can also access your researcher profile through the search tool. Click on People. Then enter your name in the search bar. Click Search, and once the results appear, click on your name to open your researcher profile. Once on your profile, locate the record you want to edit. Under the Publications section, you will find all records you have created, as well as those you are linked to. Find the record you're interested in and click on its title. This will take you to the detailed view of the record. On the record page, click on the three-dot icon to open the Options menu, then select Edit. If you choose to access the record from your workspace instead of your researcher profile, simply click Edit to begin editing. To add a link to a person or unit, scroll down to the corresponding section, then click Add. Type the name of the person, select them, and repeat the same step for units. If a link is already present but you want to modify it, simply click on it to make the desired changes. To delete a link, just click on the cross icon. Don't forget to save your changes by clicking on Save and Quit or click Publish to submit the record right away.